Hello and welcome to my channel and my new video. Over here I have the Casio WVA-M650 and I'm gonna show you how to adjust your watch hands or hand home position correction. From the standard timekeeping mode, press and hold the lower right button until each set appears on the screen. There it is. Now, first we are setting our sub-hand over here, and it should be pointed out to the CHG over here. If it's not pointed directly at CHG or at 12 o'clock, you use the upper right button to move it. So let's go. As you can see, when I press the button, it moves. Up. And so basically I'm rotating it clockwise until I get it exactly at 12 o'clock. Let's say that is the correct position. Now, once I've set my sub-hand over here, I'm gonna press the mode button and my minute and hour hand should align exactly at 12 o'clock. So let's see if they do. And they are aligned exactly, but if they do not align, you can press the upper right button to rotate it anti-clockwise. The minute hand and the hour hand will automatically follow the minute hand. Now press the lower right button to move it clockwise until you get it exactly at desired position, and that is the 12 o'clock. Once you set your hands, simply press the upper left button and the watch will implement those settings, and your analog time should correspond to your digital time over here. So let's see if it does. And there it is. Our watch hands are positioned correctly. Thank you very much for watching, and if you are into watch related content, please subscribe. Thank you.